So GoldOre is celebrating its 10th year in business this year. Congratulations! How do you feel about this incredible achievement?
Wow, 10 years for GoldOre, I can't believe it. It feels just like yesterday when I started up this company. And I think that's also important, to always feel young, to feel like you still have so much to do, so much more to achieve. So I feel, in my mind, GoldOre is only 1 year old. It is really, in my time frame, in my brain space, it feels like we haven't even begun to explore all the possibilities that there are for the company and for the technology going forward.